Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Mohammad Abubakar. Today I am going to show you how to download OBS Studio from the web and download and install. It is a free application to record the screen and record the live stream of YouTube, Twitter, Facebook and other platforms as well. It is a very good application. It is 100% free. The officially OBS is providing us. Just go to the browser and type OBS Studio download. You can choose the version as well, but as of now you can go to the OBS. You can come down OBS Studio, just click this one, the official website. You can see here there is a different versions for the Windows, Mac and Linux. So I will choose only for the Windows. Click install here, sorry, click download, and the download is started already. OBS Studio, and this is one of the best application to record the screens with high performance. We can record, and also it will consume the storage is very less storage while recording. You can see here it is downloaded. Just right click and run as administrator. Okay, you can see here, click next, install. So it is installing. It will record the displays if you have one or two or three displays. Also it will record all entire screens. You can choose the screens as well, multiple screens and multiple sessions, switch between them, and you can add the text as well, images, logos, browse sources and overlays all. And also there is many audio mixer with noise suspension and filters. It will record full HD 1080p, 2K or 4K as well as. So also it will not give any watermark. So just click finish. So I will launch the application. Finish. So just wait, it is opening slowly. You can see here there is an option after the application is open. So we have to select optimize for streaming, recording is secondary. Optimize just for recording. I will not be streaming, so I will only be using the virtual camera. So as of now we will record the screen. Optimize just for recording. I will not be streaming. Click next. Use the display or current as well as anything, and either 60 or 30, but prefer when possible 60 fps. So just click OK, click next. You can see it is available. Click apply settings. Now you can see the OBS is installed. You can add the display from here. Just click the sources and place, and here you can see display capture. Once you add anything here, for example display 1, create new, click OK. You have to select the screens, Windows 10 or anything, and just choose the primary monitor or secondary or whatever you have, and just click capture cursor as well, and click OK. You can see the screen is capturing now. Full screen is capturing. Also you can select the mic as well from here, properties. You can select the mic as well here, and also you can set the audio filters, rename, lock, volume, unhide all. And also you can go to the edit, sorry, settings, file and setting. You can see here there is a lot of settings. You can modify all the settings, general, appearance, stream as well as output, where it will be saved, and what is the video quality recording. You can choose as per your requirement, as well as audio, video, the bass and output resolution, all things available here. So I like this application, and this is the best application even I'm using as well. So just after this one, just right click, start recording. So in file settings you can select the output as well. So this screen is now recording. For example, I will do like this. So you can pause and continue from the same session, stop recording. Once you stop, it will save the file in the desired folder videos. You can see here it will be stored here. It is already stored here. This is my video mp4. You can see here the date. For example, I will close this one, I will play this one recording. So in file settings you can select the output as well. So this screen is now recording. For example, I will do like this. So you can pause. So the video is recorded perfectly. So I hope you like this video. If you found this video useful, please like, share, comment and subscribe. Click the bell icon for new updates. Thank you for watching.